I'm aware that there's a lot of misinformation circulating around about the Affordable Care Act. A lot of people say it's a job killer. In my experience, it's a job creator. This is Downtown Home and Garden. The store sells essentially the same products it's sold for 100 years. We rely on long-term, well-informed, good employees to compete with our box store competition. The best way that I know of to attract and keep good people is to have a good benefits program. HealthCare is a big part of that program. We started offering HealthCare about 12 years ago, and that was just as the price of HealthCare was skyrocketing. I couldn't expect to have long-term employees that bought into the American dream and bought a house if they were at risk of losing their equity with just one bad weekend in an emergency ward.
I have 3 children, and healthcare is very important to have in order to know that they are taken care of, that my husband and I are taken care of.
Because I have a family history of chronic diseases, preventative care is a big thing for me, a big thing for my family.
I first heard of the Affordable Care Act. It was working its way through Congress, and I was very interested because I'm the model. Downtown Main Street business. I did a rough calculation. The tax credit would benefit me by $9,000 a year. That tax credit gave us the confidence to hire a new employee. That person had been unemployed for a couple of years. Now she had a job, and each week she was paying taxes. Another employee, Barb, saved their family $6,000 a year.
Having health care through my workplace has helped in my financial stability in general. I was able to help pay for college as well as putting a new roof on my house.
One tax credit to me became way more than just a job. Another benefit of offering health care is we have very little turnover. Many of our employees have been here 10 years. It really gives us consistency, knowing the product line, knowing customers. That's really the heart of a downtown business, and the Affordable Care Act is making it easier for us to do better. The health care law is about people like me. It's MyCare.